the divine birth of Lord Krishna. Long ago, in the sacred city of Mathura, ruled a cruel and powerful king. His name was Kansa. Devaki was his dear sister. On the day of his sister Devaki's wedding with Vasudev, joy filled the palace, drums echoed, flowers showered, and the kingdom rejoiced. But suddenly, a divine voice thundered from the heavens, Kansa, Devaki's eighth child will be your destroyer. Hearing this, Kansa's joy turned into fear, and fear into rage. In anger, he drew his sword to kill Devaki. But Vasudev fell to his knees and pleaded, promising to hand over every child born to them. Kansa agreed, but imprisoned the couple in a dark, cold cell guarded by soldiers. Time passed, one by one. 7 children were born, and one by one, Kansa mercilessly killed them. The cries of the babies echoed through the prison walls. Devaki was devastated. Then came the 8th night of the dark half of Bhadrapada. The skies roared, thunder crashed, and the air trembled with divine power. Inside the prison, a dazzling light filled the cell, and there appeared Lord Vishnu, radiant, holding the conch, discus, make, and lotus. Do not fear, said the Lord. I shall be born as your son to end Kansa's tyranny. When I am born, take me to Gokul and exchange me with Yashoda's daughter. With that, he vanished, transforming into a beautiful child, glowing, smiling, divine, the newborn Krishna. At that very moment, the chains around Vasudev broke. The guards fell into deep sleep. Vasudev placed the divine baby in a small basket and stepped out into the raging storm. Rain poured heavily, lightning flashed across the sky, and the Yamuna river overflowed with wild waves. Sheshnag, the great serpent, rose from the depths, spreading his hood over baby Krishna, protecting him from the rain. In the peaceful village of Gokul, Yashoda had just given birth to a baby girl. Vasudev entered quietly, placed Krishna beside her, and took the baby girl back to Mathura. As soon as he returned, the prison doors closed, the chains reappeared, and the guards awoke, unaware of the miracle. Moments later, Kansa rushed into the cell, furious at the sound of the newborn's cry. He snatched the baby from Devaki's arms and tried to kill her, but the child slipped from his hands and rose into the air, transforming into Goddess Durga, radiant and powerful. With blazing eyes, she declared, Foolish Kansa! The one destined to destroy you is already born, far from your reach. The world rested in calm silence, for the preserver of the universe, the destroyer of evil, the giver of love and dharma, had arrived. Thus was born Lord Krishna, the eternal symbol of divinity, joy, and truth. Jai Shri Krishna.